Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching and for spending some minutes with me. Today I want to create another video using ChatGPT, and I want to create a video about YouTube and search results. So when you create videos, for YouTube, people will find those videos in multiple different ways. But one of the best ways to create evergreen videos that people will find today, but also let's say 5 years from now, and so that they'll keep, creating views inside your account, is to make sure that those videos are in the search results. So it's not an easy thing to do. And so I'm trying to learn about this, and I want to, ask ChatGPT what the best thing to do is, and we'll follow those indications or that advice for this particular video. So in order to do that, I want to start inside YouTube, as you can see, and I'm going to run this search. So what I want to do is I want to find some existing videos about this topic that actually are successful. And so then I'm going to check with ChatGPT why these videos are so successful, and we are going to create a video with those recommendations. So this one has about 55,000 views in a year, 107,000 views, second position. Look at this one, right? So this one has 1 million views in 2 years. It has a thumbnail that, it's a good thumbnail versus the others. So we have here an idea of a thumbnail I could be creating with Dolly. And also it has a title that is very specific to this. So we are going to use this one for my analysis. 69,000, 100,000, 150,000, 116,000. Let's look at this one. 3.2 million views in 1 year. So obviously, some of these views are related to how big these channels are, but I'm just going to take, the videos as is, and I'll put them in my system and see what the recommendations are from ChatGPT. So this is also, by the way, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all these videos. I'm going to start with this one, copy the link. And for now, I'm going to add this into my notes. Give me a second. So that's the first video. The second one is going to be, we said this one, 3 million views. And we'll put it there. Next one, 170,000, 900,000. So that's something also that seems quite a lot in 1 year, 1 million views. This one again, 800,000. So let's also take this one. I'm going to take 5. $5,000, 267,000, 85,000, 50,000, 3,000, 8 million. Let's use this one. Copy link address. Okay. And save. Okay, good. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to spend time inside now ChatGPT, and we may come back to YouTube. And actually what I think I'm going to do is this one has 1 million views. We said this one has 3 million views. I think I'm going to, we'll use probably a description for the thumbnail similar to this, and we'll take it from there. Okay, now we continue inside ChatGPT. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the system to analyze those videos. So please analyze the following successful YouTube videos and learn why they are so good at being at appearing at the top of the search results, right? Is it because of the thumbnail? Is it because of the title? Is it because of the content? Is it because of the tags being used? And we are going to copy and paste here the 5 URLs that we set. Once you know, please provide a 5-minute script for a YouTube video about how to get a YouTube video in search results. And we run it. So it seems that ChatGPT is using one of the plugins that we have for extracting data from those videos. And now it's providing some feedback for each of these videos around why they've been successful. Okay, it seems it's done. So now if we go back to the beginning, we can go quickly over what the system did. So it basically started analyzing the 5 videos. It went one by one and did some quick analysis and retrieved some key information. And then the system started creating a particular script. You can see here the different timestamps and what each section is going to be about. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is now to grab this script and take it to our video generator and create the video automatically using AI. So if we scroll up a little bit and we start here and we paste it in our next tool. So I paste here and I say generate video. Okay, the next question is, I need to provide some feedback regarding the audience, the look and feel, and the platform. So platform is YouTube, yes. Look and feel, I'm going to say professional for now, and audience, YouTube creators, yes. I'm going to say continue. The system is now processing the final video, getting some stock footage from several sources. Okay, so now the video has been created and it's only 2 minutes. So that's one of the things that we'll have to fix in the future, right? So I said 5 minutes and the system just created the video for 2 minutes. And I'm going to keep it. You know, I want to learn as we go. So I'm going to use this one. I will see what happens with this video going forward over the next few quarters. So the next thing we need to do is create export. And I don't want the watermarks. I have a premium account. It's only $25. So I'm doing this test with that account. And I'll say, this is going to remove 9 of my iStock licenses. That's fine. So 180p, that's fine. Continue. So that's it. The video now is ready, so we can proceed and download this video. So the next thing I want to do is to grab all this information that we have from the analysis, starting at the top right here, and say something like, please use the information below which we have retrieved by, which we have created by analyzing 5 very successful videos about how to get a YouTube video in search results, comma, and give me a title for and create a title that makes my video as successful. So here I paste the information that we have. I'll say create a title that makes my YouTube video as successful. My YouTube video is also about how to get YouTube video and search results. We send it, and we will use this title inside YouTube. Boost your video to #1, proven YouTube SEO strategies for instant visibility. Okay, thank you. And then it gives you a few reasons of why this is the best title. Please create also a short description that I can use with the same video. And so now this is the description that we will be using inside YouTube. Okay, so for the thumbnail, we come to DALL-E and we ask, how should I describe this image in a DALL-E prompt? And we mix it with the thumbnail that we want to use. And so now DALL-E is analyzing this thumbnail and is going to give us the prompt. Okay, excellent. So once this is done, now I want to mix this with myself, right? So for those of you who have been watching other videos, you know I created one about creating thumbnails where you can represent yourself. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab my own description that I've used for all the thumbnails, which is this one. And I'm going to mix it with the description from this prompt. Something like this. So let's fix it a little bit. In the background, there is an image featuring a close-up of a YouTube analytics snapshot. It should display a white analytics card with rounded corners over a dark background. On the card, there should be a large bold number. And here we'll say, we'll say 1 million, right? 1 million views representing YouTube views with a green upward arrow next to it indicating, I'm going to say 999% increase. Include the YouTube logo in red at the top left corner of the card. The background should have a green upward trending line at the bottom representing a growth chart. Okay. The orange should be well lit with a contrast to make every element pop. So we use this and we send it and see what happens. Okay, look at this. So I like this one more because it's full screen, meaning, there is a bit of black on the left here. So if I open this one, this looks awesome, right? So it's 1 million, this is 0.99%, so it's not totally there. This one, 1.9 million. Yeah, so my hoodie in this case is green for the previous one, I think, and the glasses are so-so. I like them, but let me see if I can get something a bit better that I like a bit more. So I have created a few variations of this potential thumbnail. I'll be using one of these in my YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and talk to you soon.